Hello viewers, welcome back to Reenka kitchen. In today's video we are going to be cooking ogbono soup. With this soup, you can swallow very easily. These are the ingredients I use in making this soup. I also want to use this opportunity to thank my subscribers. Thank you so much for being there. If there is any question you would like to ask pertaining this soup, don't forget to leave it in the comment section. So what I just did here is that I blended the ogbono. It comes in seed. You have to blend it to powder. For cooking of this soup, I'll be making use of cow leg and also cow skin. So I just added it into the pot. I'm going to cook it to be done. You have to add enough water in order to allow it to simmer. So I'm going to be adding the stockfish. Why I'm adding the stockfish now is in order for the stockfish to get done whenever the meat is done. You can actually make use of any meat of your choice. A lot depends on your choice. Cover and allow it to cook to tender, and then you add your dry fish. Don't forget to wash and debone the dry fish. So I just added it now. I'll be making use of mackerel smoked fish. I did the smoking myself. You can actually check out my video on how to smoke your fish. After I must have cooked it for a while and I noticed that the meats are done, I'm going to be introducing crayfish. Ogbono soup needs a lot of fish in it in order for you to have a very tasteful ogbono soup. I'm going to be adding the mackerel smoked fish now. And at the same time, I'll be adding red oil. The blended ogbono is going to be added now. You are expected to stir it very well in order for it to mix and also the ogbono will dissolve. I always advise people to make sure that the ogbono is well cooked, which means after you must have added the ogbono, you have to cook the soup a little bit in order for the ogbono to be done. But this stage needs constant turning in order for you to avoid the soup from burning under the pot. After I must have cooked it for a while, the soup is thickening and is also ready. So I'm going to be adding vegetable. You can make use of any vegetable of your choice. I'm making use of spinach, but you can as well make use of kale leaves or any vegetable that you like eating. The soup is ready now, so I'm going to be turning off the heat. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.